folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great weekend, folks. It's a TGIF. Be strong. Go with your heart and believe in miracles, because anything can and will happen. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 5, NASDAQ up 8, S&Ps are down 5.5, gold contract down $16.30, trading at $1,087 an ounce. Silver down 27 cents at $14.70 an ounce. Platinum down 10 at $9.39 an ounce. Copper off a penny and a half at $2.23 a pound. Light sweet crude down down 83 cents, $44.37 a barrel. Bonds, 10-year down 24 ticks, 126.02. 30-year off 1.21 ticks, 152.14. King dollar up 1,245 ticks, 99.29. The euro's down 144 at 107, and the yen is trading at 123.23. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. It's subtle out here, folks. It's subtle, but guess what? This baby is rolling. And it's rolling, and here's the subtle part of it. You're rolling with volume. You know, we've done 85 million shares out here today. Yesterday we did 78 million. You get the roll on. The 3 black crows, which were established on the 20th, 21st, and 24th of August, are in play right now. We're at 209.58. We'll see how this baby shakes out as we come into the close. I don't expect any large down move. All you need is this roll that is happening right now. NDX 100. What do we have with the NDX 100? Same type of setup in the NDX. NDX has done, the Qs have done 25 million shares today. We had 25 million yesterday. This will come in about 27 million. Now, the Qs haven't failed on price. The Qs would have to get under 114.39. You know, intraday, we got down to the 113.76. I suspect that is not going to get down that far. It's going to be sometime next week that we come into that level. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Bottom line, gold goes downtown, has 179,000 contracts. Now, it's going into 190,000, so you get down there, you had lighter volume, they get the price destruction going, you're at 1088, and what that game right here is, bottom line, is at out of lows. You know, you're talking about 1079 lows. That is game out here inside the gold market. We go over and we take a look at the GLD. What you have with the GLD, that pullback with 6 million shares. Now, the GLD, it's pulling back with dramatically lighter volume. If we bring this back up, we put this on a monthly basis, what you're going to see is that you're coming back into the 2009 level. Well, actually, first I'll put it on a weekly basis, because that would give us much more clarity week by week. So on a weekly basis, you're coming back into, well, this is pretty intense, actually. This is wild. So check this out. It's 193 million shares you're coming back on, and is that right? Oh, let me do it again. I believe that's right. That'd be crazy. It couldn't be that much. It must be 19 million shares. 1 second. No, it's 155 million shares. Yeah, it's 155 million shares. And we are coming back on, put this in here. Yeah, we're coming back on 33 million shares. That's a good setup. That's a good setup. So, King Dollar. Let's go over to King Dollar. We take a look at King Dollar. You have a King Dollar, ABC structure in the way up. That had already taken out its B point, took it out with volume. That was established on the 28th. You went higher today. You took out the swing points of 98.62 today. A to B equals C to D on this baby is 1.00. I expect you're going to see that. Now, what is it all about? The jobs number, folks. Jobs come out, Bottom line, good jobs number. That's the first part. Second part was that the wages actually went up also. You know, we've been talking about inflation. You got inflation out here. Which also just happened. Let me pull up GM. Because the automakers, and depending on how long you've been in the markets, the automakers, bottom line, when inflation is raging, they are always the first ones out here attuned to what's happening, because what seems to happen is that the auto sales have never been so big. It seems like that always comes down first. The automakers, the manufacturers themselves, making money hand over fist, the automakers know it, and bottom line, that's when it all starts. So Ford and the United, this just come across the tape too, by the way. Ford Company, United Automaker, and the United Auto Workers just reached a 4-year agreement, and it's going to provide across-the-board raises for 52,900 hourly workers. Big number. Let's see. Let's see what we get. What I want to get out of this, I want to get, okay, the settlement with Ford comes after UAW reached an agreement with GM that was richer than it contacted and negotiated with the less profitable Chrysler. The GM deal included a signing bonus of $8,000, double what the senior members of the Chrysler deal received, extended medical benefits for entry-level workers. So the Fiat deal is going to cost automakers $2 billion over 4 years. We'll see what the Ford deal ends up costing. Okay, here we go. Ford's average labor cost, including benefits, is about $57 an hour, $10 more than the operations for Fiat or Toyota, and $2 more than GM. They haven't got a raise in a decade. It doesn't say yet what they're going to get, but bottom line is that inflation's out here, folks. That's the bottom line, and I expect you're going to see more of it. Let's go over and take a look at the bond market. What do we have with bonds? Okay, 10-year took out its swing point, took out the lowest swing point. 30-year, however, didn't take out that lowest swing point. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Dow Industrials are up 6, Nasdaq's up 7, S&P's are down 5.5. We're going to be right back.